Hi, I'm Norma. Welcome to Cooking Without Ideas. Today we're going to make delicious chicken wings. Easy recipe. We have 2.5 pounds of chicken wings. We have half a cup of mustard, half a cup of buffalo sauce. We have some salt, black pepper, and we have lemon and pepper seasoning. We're gonna put lemon and pepper, a pinch of black pepper, 2 pinches of salt. We're gonna put some mustard. We're gonna put some buffalo sauce. I need your help to win this bet. Is this a 49ers or Chiefs? Look. Let me know. Comment below if you know the answer. Help me win the bet. Let's start cooking outside. We leave the wing tips for easy barbecuing. It will be ready in 35 or 45 minutes. We're looking for a juicy chicken wings. It looks and smells like delicious. We keep flipping them. Our chicken wings are ready. Smells so good, guys. Our chicken wings are ready. Let's taste it. Juicy, tender, so much flavor, delicious. Making for the Super Bowl is easier and delicious. And don't forget, comment about my t-shirt. Guys, thank you again for your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Delicious. See you in the next video.